Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to turn on noise cancellation for AirPods Pro. Now there's three modes for it. So one of them is noise cancellation, which of course cancels out outside noise. Another one is transparency, which does the opposite. It makes it so you can hear stuff outside more easily. So if someone is having a conversation, for example. And the third one is off. So both those modes are off. Now if you want to cycle between them, you're just going to hold down on the stem right here. So there's a button right here on it. You're just going to hold down on it for about a second, and then you'll hear a beep, and you just let go. Now, if you want to see what mode you're on, then go into your control center. So for newer iPhones, you swipe from the top right, and older iPhones, you swipe from the bottom up. And then you're going to hold down right here on the volume. Okay, so you guys see right here, from holding down on it, it went to transparency mode. And once again, holding down, back to noise cancellation. Now, if you want to change which mode you're cycling between, then go into your settings and click on Bluetooth. And then right here to the right of your AirPods, press on the eye. Now, I'm using the right AirPod to cycle, so I'm going to click on the right one. And you guys see right here, we have noise cancellation and transparency. And then I'm just going to check off also. So now when I cycle, when I hold down on it, we have transparency and off and noise cancellation. Alright guys, so hopefully this helped out.